No, put your spoon in it. Put it in your mouth. Good job. There you go. Do it again. Who are you waving at?
She wants to kill you with her spoon.
I know, it looked like she was very happy. Put your spoon in it. Can you put your spoon in it? Get your bite.
Oh, snap. I got the teeth.
Okay, you can do it. You can eat that part. She's being so cute. Mmm. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.